Welcome to the world of aquatic beauty. Let's explore the incredible features of this 2.2-gallon fish tank that promises a spectacular viewing experience and fish health. This fish tank's silent water pump is a game changer. Combining multiple functions, it ensures your fish thrive in a clean and oxygen-rich environment. Adjust the mesmerizing lighting to fit your mood. With just a simple touch, switch between calming colors to enhance the ambience of your living space. Experience stunning clarity and robustness with the high-quality glass tank, designed to provide an immersive aquatic experience without compromising on durability. With user-friendly design and clear instructions, setting up your new aquarium is straightforward, ensuring even beginners can enjoy hassle-free maintenance. Everything you need to get started is included in the kit. From decorative elements to crucial maintenance components, it's a complete setup for your aquatic friends. Join countless satisfied customers who have discovered the joy of keeping fish effortlessly. This tank is perfect for all, especially beginners. Transform your space with this stunning fish tank. If you're interested in creating a beautiful and tranquil aquatic environment, check out the link below and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing products.